In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Mailchimp contacts. Navigating through your email lists can sometimes be daunting, especially when you need to manage and remove contacts to keep your audience curated and updated. Whether it's for cleaning your list or removing unengaged subscribers, Mailchimp provides an intuitive interface for managing contacts. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. To do this, simply go to the main login page of Mailchimp. It's crucial you start here because every step that follows is dependent on you having full access to your account. On this page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address followed by your password. Take your time to ensure your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary login issues. Once you've filled in your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Mailchimp. This is where the magic starts. Now you're ready to dive into the heart of your Mailchimp account, where all your audience and campaign information lives. To get to your contacts, you need to locate and click on the Audience tab from the navigation menu. This is where all your subscriber details are stored and managed. Clicking on this will bring you to the page where you can see all your audience options. Once there, you'll see an option labeled All Contacts. Clicking on this option will take you to a comprehensive view of every individual who is currently subscribed to your lists. This is where you can view, manage and organize your contacts based on your specific needs. Now, for the main event, removing a contact, in your list of contacts, identify the contact you wish to remove. You can do this by scrolling through your list or utilizing the search function if you have a large number of contacts. Once you've found the contact in question, you'll see that next to their details are several options for managing their subscriber information. Look for the three dots that represent more options. Clicking on these dots will open up additional actions you can take for that specific contact. Among these options, you'll find the Delete button. When you click on Delete, Mailchimp will ask you to confirm your action. This is a critical step, as deleting a contact is a permanent action and cannot be undone. If you're sure that you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm your decision, and voila, the contact will be removed from your list. Now, it's important to note that managing your contacts wisely can help maintain a healthy engagement rate, which is crucial for the success of your email marketing campaigns. Regularly reviewing and cleaning up your list ensures that your messages are being sent to those who truly value them, keeping your relevance and deliverability scores high. As a bonus tip, remember that Mailchimp also offers features to archive contacts. Archiving can be a valuable option if you're looking to clean up your list without permanently losing subscriber information. This option is handy for contacts that might not currently engage, but who you believe still hold potential value for future campaigns. Maintaining an organized and updated contact list is essential for effective email marketing. By following the steps we've covered today, you'll be well equipped to manage your Mailchimp contacts efficiently, ensuring your campaigns reach the right audience. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial on how to remove contacts from your Mailchimp account. I hope you found these instructions straightforward and helpful. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks to help you navigate your digital marketing efforts more effectively. Happy emailing!